Cable number 1. You see the slightest effort triggers the connection to charge, and just any sort of movement, and just kind of gently tapping with the finger does it. And I will pause and remove. Here is cable number 2. You see this one was white, this one's black. Same thing. Just jiggling the cable changes the charge state. Now I'll disconnect and we'll take a look. There, it's a little fuzzy, but the point being here, there's no physical damage. There's no corrosion, other than sort of general use scuffing. The device has never been dropped or crashed or anything like that.